Today, let's explore the wonders of nature with a special poem called Nature's Magic. Ready? Let's go! In the forest, tall trees sway, nature's magic on display. Birds sing songs sweet and clear, nature's music for us to hear. Rivers sparkle in the sun, fish swim and have such fun. Flowers bloom in colors bright, bees buzz from morning to night. Mountains stand tall, touching the sky, eagles soar and fly so high. The wind whispers through the trees, telling tales on the breeze. Oceans wave with a dance so grand, shells and starfish on the sand. Rainbows paint the sky so wide, colors glowing side by side. The sun sets with a gentle glow, stars twinkle in the night below. The moon smiles soft and bright, nature's magic day and night. Nature's wonders, big and small, bring joy and wonder to us all. Let's protect this gift so dear, nature's magic year after year.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and learning with many minds.